Kung sakaling nakikinig, alam kong maari ding hindi. Ngunit kailangan ko tong sabihin, di ko na kayang ilihim. Umaamin ito ngayon, ako'y sumisigaw sa hangin, dinadalangin na sana di pa huli ang lahat. Sana malaman mo, minahal kita sa abot ng aking makakaya. Ako sana'y patawarin, di ko ginusto itong makita kang nalilito at dismayado sa akin. Di ko sinasadyang talikuran kang saktan, di ko rin kayang masamain. Kung mayroong ibang higit pa sa akin, di ipipilit ang sarili. Kung hindi rin lang ako makakabuti sa iyo, umaamin ito ngayon, ako'y sumisigaw sa hangin, dinadalangin na sana di pa huli ang lahat. Sana malaman mo, minahal kita sa abot ng aking makakaya. Di inasahang mauuwi sa ganito, kinailangang lumayo para hilumin ng puso nagtitiwala sa may kapal na kung ikaw rin at ako, ibabalik ako sa'yo. Umaamin ito ngayon, ako'y sumisigaw sa hangin, dinadalangin na sana di pa huli ang lahat. Umaamin ito ngayon, ako'y sumisigaw sa hangin, dinadalangin na sana di pa huli ang lahat. Sana malaman mo, minahal kita sa abot ng aking makakaya. Buong puso, minahal kita sa abot ng aking makakaya.
My name is Julianne. I'm a singer-songwriter and an advocate for women and children. I started way back year 2000. I was part of a band. So from 2000 to 2004, but I was writing songs on the side. So what really got me writing songs was me and my band joined this songwriting competition and we won. So parang it was like a sign, I guess, or a push forward that even in original music, there's a path and there's a career. So starting 2005 up to present, I've been pursuing music as a solo artist and have released, a couple of albums and singles, and it's been a great experience. Well, I grew up in a musical family. My dad and mom were in music, not professionally, but my dad was a songwriter, so he's my first influence in music. I grew up listening to what influenced him. So the Beatles, the Carpenters, James Taylor, and a lot of the music that I really ended up liking were guitar-based music. Because my dad also played guitar and he taught me how to play. And then I moved through a neo soul and jazz phase, so I listened to a lot of India Arie. She's also a guitar player and singer-songwriter. But I listen actually to a lot of different genres of music, just not one. As long as it's authentic and it tells a good story, that's the kind of music that I like.